is love. So
So we're going to go down. See the cliff. Voila. Voila. Sure? Riyan, picture a little bit. Yeah. Look at the people there. Italian, yeah, Italian ice cream are really delicious. It's beautiful. Look, puting-puti siya. Bisitahin natin ang church nila. Oops. Yeah. Oh, it's beautiful on the top. Look at that. It's beautiful. So, dito kami ngayon matutulog. Kung tawagin to truly, ang cute ng kanilang lababo. Eto, yung breakfast nila, sabi nila, meron daw dito mga kung ano-ano dito sa rep nila. Kasi libre yung breakfast. Tapos yan, yung machine, ang paggawa ng cappuccino, kape o. So, ito, may bulwar sila. Ito yung maliit na kainan. Meron dito mga gamit. At dito, ito yung pinaka bahay niya. Ito yung toilet. Oh, nice naman. Minimalist siya. Parang ano, Scandinavian style. Gusto ko siyang linis. So, dito tayo ngayon matutulog ngayong gabi. Ito, yung bedroom. Dito kami matutulog ngayong gabi. O, diba? Ang cute niya actually. Dito mo pwedeng ilagay yung mga gamit mo, mga sapatos. So, ito yung labas. Siyempre, merong upuan ditong dalawa. Ito, yung garden niya. Ang lawak nito eh. Yan, tingnan natin to. So guys, nandito na kami sa aming B&B. Nasaan ang sabon nila? May hugasan pero walang sabon. Nasaan ang sabon? Wala kang sabon? May mga pagkain pero walang sabon. Saan tayo kukuha ng sabon? So, ito yung first day namin dito sa Puglia. Kain tayo ng chips. Kasi mamaya maghahanap kami ng restaurant. Maghahanap kami ng restaurant para sa aming dinner. Oops lang. Kumakain ako ng chichirya. Gutom na ako. Kanina, dun sa Polignano, sa sobrang sarap ng hangin ng dagat. Gusto kong matulog. Sobra yung antok ko. Kaya ngayon, matutulog tayo ng masarap ngayong gabi. It's beautiful. Punta tayo dito sa garden. Kasi merong duyan. Magduduyan muna tayo. Kasi ang sarap ng hangin. Oh my gosh. Feeling ko pwede na ako dito matulog. Bukas na akong gigising. Napaka-peaceful ng lugar. So we are preparing to go to the restaurant. Just call the restaurant and we have a reservation at 7 o'clock. At 7 o'clock. We have 20 minutes to go there. So we can sleep early and we can go visit early tomorrow before the tourist comes to our destinations. And just like that, because it's not really cold, it's not yet winter. Let's go to our car. It's a little dark now.
Hello.
Puglia. We are here in Puglia. Do you have your wallet? Let's put out. Yes.
You need someone?
So this is my fresh salad, pasta. It's freshly made. And then he is having his roasted beef.
I think it's pork.
Pork. I was craving for pasta. We are here in Italy, so we should eat pasta.
C'est à quoi? With meat?
So we are done our dinner. We are going back to our place because we are so tired actually. Good morning. We are getting ready to visit Puglia. Oh, we are in Puglia already to visit the Trulli. We have 2 places to visit today. So it's already 7 o'clock. We're going to eat breakfast, then we will go. Ito ang ating OOTD today. Yan. Jeans. Nilagyan ko lang ng layer yung damit ko. Jeans din tong top ko. Pareho sila Zara. Zara. Lahat yan Zara. Yan. Tsaka magsasapatos lang tayo ng Adidas na Samba. So we are ready for our first visit this morning. Ang araw ngayon napakaganda. Wala. Sobrang ganda nitong village na to. Ayan. So sabi nila, itong village na to, it was built in 16th and 17th century. Yeah, we can drink.
Find a nice terrace.
So what do you think about this? Truly, truly. You want to go down? It's beautiful. I agree with that. It's really beautiful. So, after nandito kami ngayon sa Loco Rotondo, meron ditong old city na pwede namin bisitahin. Tingnan natin yung map. Yan yung map niya. Chiesa Madonna de la Crece. Piazza Aldo Moro. Right? Grabe. Napakaganda talaga ito sa Italia. Ganda dito sobra. I love Italy. Sa Europe, yun talaga yung isa ko sa paborito, Italy at Switzerland. Of course, France yung una.
Small church.
Pasukin natin itong church. Ang cute. Ang cute ng kanyang see the top of it. Tawag mo na mo. Diyan, deklarasyon.
Right?
Italia. Je suis amoureuse de toi.
Any recommendations for
Second fried prawn. And Dominique's tuna. Looks delicious. It's 3 o'clock in the afternoon. Natulog muna kami ng 30 minutes. Tapos ngayon, papunta na kami sa isa na namang lugar na bibisitahin namin. Siguro mga 1 oras siya. 1 oras drive siya from here, from sa aming accommodation. Bili tayo ng gelato. Nandito tayo ngayon sa Fior di Palace. La Gelateria. This one, pistachio. Thank you. What is this white thing? I forgot. So delicious. Good morning. So today is our last day here in Puglia. We are getting ready now to go to Matera, and we're going to stay there the whole afternoon, and we will go to Bari. We slept 1 night in Bari, and we will go back to Paris. So this is my OOTD today. We already ate breakfast and we are ready. Our stuff are here already. One small luggage. So we are on the road again. We are heading to Matera. And today is Monday. The traffic is nice. There's not much car on the road, but the road in Italy is really small and bumpy, so we are not driving fast, and we only drive 50 kilometers per hour because that's the rules.
But we are the only ones to follow the rules in this country.
We realize that Italian, they just drive the way they want, and it seems like they don't follow the rules. So when we go to intersection or we go to the roundabout, we use our indicator, but these Italians, they don't use indicators, so you have to be very careful. We need to translate this thing because we don't know what that it means. Lalakad kami ngayon, papunta kami dun sa view kung saan makikita namin yung city ng Matera. I think itong lugar na to, napaka-historical nito kasi nung mga unang panahon, itong lugar na to, parang yung mga taong nakatira sa kuweba. So, excited ako na makita to kasi makikita natin kung paano sila namuhay noon, yung mga Italian. Isasend namin yung drone namin para makapture siya ng malapitan. Kasi parang itong lugar na to, nakikita ko lang siya sa mga movies. It's incredible. Nandito na tayo sa baba para dito sa isang lugar na kung tawagin nila Tibetan Bridge. It's a hanging bridge. I will show it to you. Now, I am walking in this bridge. Hi. Can I come back after this? Yeah, malapit na tayo. Ay, 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 ay.
As a backup.
So this is our accommodation here in Bari. I'm going to make a small tour. So here is the sofa. We have television here. We have things here that we might need. This have a lot of freebies. You can drink unlimited coffee. We have coffee machine, microwave, and everything that we need for our stay. We can even wash our laundry. I'm going to drink something. Let's drink something. full of previous year. See this thing? Full of cakes. Going outside. We're going to look for a restaurant to eat tonight. I remember Spain. Wow. That one is green tea. Today is Tuesday. We just came out from our hotel. We are going to visit one place, and then we will eat lunch there. We're going to look for seafoods. Have a flight at 4 o'clock, so we still have time. It's only 10 o'clock. So let's see what we can do here in Bari. Sabi to Bia? It's a big one muna mo. Lalay. Game here. We are waiting for the restaurant to open. It's almost 12 o'clock, but the restaurant will open at 12:30. So we are here in the beautiful place. The restaurant is just at the back. It's really good to dip our feet in the water. It's really relaxing with the wind, with the sunshine. It's really nice. I mean, to swim today, it's really not ideal to swim today because it's a little cold. But I think it's still good to swim because when your body is in the water already, your body temperature will adapt the temperature of the sea. Oyster mo naman Siyempre, yeah. Finish everything.